Wellness and mental well-being resurrection through Myrothamnus Flabellifolius. Welcome to today's video, which will be informative and focuses on the anti-aging and wellness medicinal properties of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius, that is the scientific name for the wonderful plant known in English as the resurrection plant or resurrection bush, and not bitter leaf, and in Shona, a language spoken in Zimbabwe, it is known as Mufandichimuka. We are going to delve into detail about its biological and chemical properties, including dosages of how the medicinal properties of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius work in the body, and which state they work better, as for example as an herbal tea or a cream, for example to combat aging, mental illness, cancer and other medical issues such as arthritis and diabetes. We are going to look into the research that has been carried out in Zimbabwe, South Africa, Nigeria or other African countries, United Kingdom or United States of America or in Asia, and if there are any patents which have been registered for its medicinal properties. We shall also look into whether there are any programs worldwide where it is being cultivated agriculturally for industrial production. The anti-aging and wellness medicinal properties of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius. Introduction. Myrothamnus Flabellifolius, which is commonly known as the resurrection plant or resurrection bush, is a remarkable plant native to a fascinating region of the world known as Southern Africa. This miraculous plant is renowned for its ability to survive extreme dehydration, and then it revives rapidly when rehydrated. This trait has fascinated both scientists and traditional healers for years. In the Shona language, which is spoken in Zimbabwe, this plant is referred to as Mufandichimuka, meaning revives when watered. This video explores the anti-aging and wellness medicinal properties of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius and provides a detailed biological and chemical description, recommended dosages, and its efficacy in various forms, such as herbal teas and creams. In addition, this video is going to examine research conducted globally, including in Zimbabwe, South Africa, Nigeria, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Asia, as well as the status of patents and agricultural cultivation programs. Biological and chemical description. Biological description. Myrothamnus Flabellifolius is a small woody shrub that grows to a height of around 20 to 50 centimeters in height. It is typically located in rocky outcrops and mountainous regions of southern Africa, including Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, and South Africa. The plant is easily recognizable by its small, fan-shaped leaves that are highly adapted to withstand desiccation. When they are dry, the leaves curl and appear dead, but they rapidly turn green and restart normal function when rehydrated. Chemical composition. The resilience of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius is because of its unique chemical composition. The key compounds include polyphenols. These are potent antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of aging and chronic diseases. Trehalose. This is a sugar that protects cellular structures during the dehydration and rehydration process. Myristin. This is a flavonoid which has anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. Quercetin. This is also another flavonoid known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Gallic acid. This is an antioxidant that also has antimicrobial properties. Medicinal properties and applications. Anti-aging. The anti-aging properties of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius are mainly because of its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are known to neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that cause damage to cells and contribute to aging. This plant's polyphenols, myristin, and quercetin help to reduce wrinkles. This is because it protects skin cells from oxidative stress and promoting collagen production. Improve skin elasticity. It does this through hydrating and repairing skin cells. Protect against UV damage. Antioxidants can alleviate the effects of UV radiation, and it reduces the risk of skin aging and cancer. Recommended form and dosage. Creams and lotions. It is said that extracts of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius may be incorporated into topical formulations. In a typical dosage, it could range from 2 to 5% of the extract in the cream base. Herbal tea. If you consume herbal tea made from this plant, it can provide systemic antioxidant benefits to you. A typical dosage is 1-2 teaspoons of dried leaves per cup of hot water, and you can take it 1-2 times daily. Mental health. The neuroprotective properties which Myrothamnus Flabellifolius possesses may be beneficial in managing mental health conditions, for example, anxiety and depression. Reportedly, this plant's flavonoids, specifically myristin and quercetin, have been shown to reduce neuroinflammation. This is because it modulates inflammatory pathways in the brain. Enhance cognitive function. This will be through the antioxidant protection of neurons and promotion of synaptic plasticity. Recommended form and dosage. Herbal tea. If you consume the tea regularly, it can support your mental well-being. Be aware that a standard dosage is 1-2 teaspoons of dried leaves per cup of hot water, consumed up to twice daily. Cancer. Research indicates that the flavonoids in Myrothamnus Flabellifolius, particularly myristin and quercetin, have anti-cancer properties. These compounds can induce apoptosis by promoting the programmed death of cancer cells, inhibit tumor growth. It interferes with cancer cell proliferation and metastases. Enhance chemotherapy efficacy. The compounds may be used as an adjunct treatment. They may increase the sensitivity of cancer cells to chemotherapy. Recommended form and dosage. Herbal tea. For support in cancer therapy, a typical dosage is 1-2 teaspoons of dried leaves per cup of hot water and to be consumed twice daily. Extracts. Concentrated extracts could be used, but it is recommended this should be done under medical supervision, with dosages tailored to individual needs. Arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties which are contained in the Myrothamnus Flabellifolius plant mean that it has the potential to treat arthritis. This is due to the plant's antioxidants aiding in the reduction of inflammation and oxidative stress in joints, alleviating pain and improving mobility. Recommended form and dosage. Topical application. Creams or ointments containing 2 to 5% extract can be applied to affected joints. Herbal tea. The regular consumption of this plant as an herbal tea can have systemic anti-inflammatory effects. Take note that a typical dosage is 1-2 teaspoons of dried leaves per cup of hot water, taken up to twice daily. Diabetes. Myrothamnus Flabellifolius has shown promise in the management of diabetes because it can modulate blood sugar levels. This wonderful plant's polyphenols and flavonoids can improve insulin sensitivity by enhancing the body's response to insulin, reduce blood glucose levels due to antioxidant protection of pancreatic beta cells and inhibition of carbohydrate digesting enzymes. Recommended form and dosage. Herbal tea. When you consume herbal tea made from the plant, this can help to manage your blood sugar levels. Keep in mind that a common dosage is 1-2 teaspoons of dried leaves per cup of hot water, taken 1-2 times daily. Research and development. Research in Africa. Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe, Myrothamnus Flabellifolius, or Mufandichimuka, has been traditionally used for its medicinal properties for centuries, no doubt. Recent studies have focused on its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, with potentially good results for anti-aging and chronic disease management. South Africa. South Africa has reportedly conducted a lot of research on the plant's ability to survive desiccation and its health benefits which have potential. Studies have highlighted its use in skincare products and its potential in managing oxidative stress-related conditions. Nigeria. Myrothamnus Flabellifolius is not native to Nigeria, but similar plants with desiccation-tolerant properties are currently being studied for their medicinal potential. Nigerian researchers are intentionally exploring these properties for managing chronic diseases. International research. United Kingdom. In the UK, research on Myrothamnus Flabellifolius has mainly been involved with its application in anti-aging skincare products. Clinical trials have shown its efficacy in being able to reduce wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. United States. The US has seen growing interest in the plant's promising effects in cancer therapy. Research has investigated its flavonoids' ability to inhibit cancer cell proliferation and enhance the effects of chemotherapy. Asia. Asian countries, specifically China and Japan, have looked into the plant's neuroprotective properties. Their research has shown that Myrothamnus Flabellifolius extracts have the ability to reduce neuroinflammation and protect against cognitive decline. Perhaps this may be of interest to those who research dementia, as it is a cause of cognitive decline. Patents and agricultural cultivation. Patents. Reportedly, several patents have been registered for the use of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius in skincare and wellness products. These patents are said to cover formulations that utilize the plant's extracts for their antioxidant and anti-aging properties. The question here would be whether the indigenous populations of the countries where this plant grows freely are aware of these patents, who gave permission for these patents, and are they going to benefit from these patents at all? Perhaps they need to be wary of their natural resource being exploited. Harvesting is not monitored and regulated through sustainable and environmentally friendly policies, such as United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity and its Nagoya Protocol, leading to overexploitation and threatening the long-term continuity of the resource and population decline. 2019 https://bio-economy.org.za/resurrection-bush/accessed on the 15th of March 2022. As reported by Exploring the Potential of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius welwa, Resurrection Tree as a Phytogenic Feed Additive in Animal Nutrition, by Carlos Wyson Tawanda Nantapo and Apeniu Marum. Fulvia Bovera, Academic Editor, MDPI 2022 online article. Let us know what your input is with regards to this in the comments section. Do you think this is a viable idea? It would be interesting to find out who the patents have been registered by, and for how long, and who are they going to truly benefit. The governments of the countries in which this plant is native should be more interested in finding out more about these patents. Agricultural cultivation. It is not common knowledge, but did you know that efforts are being made to cultivate Myrothamnus Flabellifolius on a larger scale for industrial production? In the southern African nations of Zimbabwe and South Africa, agricultural programs aim to sustainably harvest and process the plant for both local use and export. Apparently, these programs focus on making sure of the plant's availability for medicinal and cosmetic applications while promoting environmental conservation. Health experts and programs. Health experts. United Kingdom. Dr. Sarah Jarvis, a British general practitioner and health expert, reportedly emphasizes the potential of natural antioxidants being used in the management of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. She would perhaps support integrating traditional medicinal plants like Myrothamnus Flabellifolius into modern healthcare for well-being. United States. Dr. Andrew Weil, a renowned integrative medicine specialist, has highlighted the importance of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in supporting well-being and preventing disease. He would perhaps support the use of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius due to its potential health benefits, especially in anti-aging and chronic disease management. South Africa. Professor Alvaro Viljoen, who is a leading researcher in medicinal plants, probably has extensively studied the desiccation-tolerant properties of Myrothamnus Flabellifolius or similar. He would probably advocate for its use in skincare and its potential in being able to manage oxidative stress-related conditions. Programs worldwide. Zimbabwe and South Africa. There are reportedly agricultural programs in Zimbabwe and South Africa which focus on cultivating Myrothamnus Flabellifolius for medicinal and cosmetic use. These programs are said to promote sustainable harvesting and processing techniques to ensure the plant's long-term availability. United Kingdom. In the UK, it is reported that skincare companies have developed products incorporating Myrothamnus Flabellifolius extracts, backed by clinical research demonstrating their anti-aging benefits. United States. In the US, it is reported that research institutions and pharmaceutical companies are looking into the plant's potential in cancer therapy and chronic disease management, with continuous clinical trials and product development. Conclusion. Thank you for watching our video today, and we believe you have learnt some valuable and useful information, which we hope you will pass on to others who may need it. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next videos. Like, share, and subscribe, and help us to grow this community where we support you to achieve wellness, well-being, and balance. Go ahead and strive.